Okay, what's inside the old Miller Welder? Oh yeah, that's copper. Yeah, you see that copper. We'll rip her open. Check it out, 130 pounds. Old Miller Welder. Let's see what we get. Okay, I took a guess on tools. Let's see how good we did. Oh yeah. Look at that big square copper winding. That's good. That'll come apart pretty easy. Nice. Some wood on the bottom of it. I'll have to break that off. Yeah, all thick wire. That's that big square stuff. That's awesome. Size wire. Aluminum handle, aluminum screws, brass. Oh, that's the copper there. Looks like brass, and that's steel on the outside though. I gotta dry this out, looks like. Yeah, that thing's brass, that's cool. I missed something on the back here. Kaboom! That thing's cool. That's brass bolts, that's neat. Yeah, they threaded into that. That's cool. Brass as well. Yeah, the whole thing's threaded in. A little more here. This didn't go deep enough. £15.5. Yeah. Sucker's welded here. That kind of sucks. 18. There we go. 22.8. 24.3. 25.2 with the brass. 24.3. Oh darn, you guys can see that more. Yeah. 24.3 right before we put these brass pieces on. So brass copper, 26 pounds. Well, this ain't easy. 70 bucks in that. Took me 28 minutes of videoing. We'll scrunch that down, but we'll clean the mess up, and that's what's inside a Miller Welder. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something. We're just gonna take these and clean them up. We'll just beat the crap out of them with the hammer, clean that up, cut the other stuff off, get her to number 2 copper. Okay, to get these off, I'm just gonna take and bandsaw right across the top down into it, and the metal should fall off. We'll do all 3 of them. I'm not gonna video it, but you'll see what they look like at the end. Yeah, that worked good. Super quick. They just fall right off now. Popped right through them. And yeah, they look like brass. So, okay, this thing had a lock collar on it. Bigger. Okay, so we got all the copper on there, minus that coating. I don't know, 27 pounds maybe? Maybe 26 with all that coating. But pretty good on there. Okay, all the steel, 91.6. Okay, I forgot the little deal. 95.9 steel. Okay, the aluminum was a whopping 0.8 pounds. Okay, the brass is 1.5, but I just put this on here, and that is actually 0.2. So, yeah, we're down to 0.6 on our aluminum. Okay, let's see that. Miller Welder, 129.8 pounds. And that's what we got for the breakdown. Steel, copper, 27 pounds. Brass, aluminum, and so about 5.2 pounds waste. That went good.